Preparing the surface of the beam for application of the ultraviolet adhesive composition. In the beginning, we wipe it off as we go. Wipe it clean in one direction using one side of the napkin once. Dry it off completely from the alcohol. And treat the surface with conditioner. Make sure that the entire surface is evenly wetted. Change sticks or wipes as needed. Wipe it dry. And treat with neutralizer several times. And let it dry completely. The beam is completely dry. Apply a priming coat. The layer should be applied thin. The thickness of the layer is controlled by the fact that the surface of the part is slightly visible through it. If the layer is too thick, it may not be able to cure completely when exposed to UV light. On the camera may be bad to see, but visually, the layer that I applied it is not completely black, but so a little dark gray. The composition is cured using an ultraviolet lamp. 4 to 5 minutes. Since all the places for the strain gauge's bonding will not fit for simultaneous drying, we will do it one by one. When the glue is fully cured, we will continue with the video. We have the primer coat light treated, polymerized. Now place the strain gauges in their places. We roll the tape to the surface of the glue and the beam, which would fix the strain gauge in the project position. Correct the geometry of loops if necessary. Apply the compound, also in a thin layer, taking care not to touch the tape. The first step is just enough to coat the grid and the leads. It is better to apply and dry 2 layers than to put one thick layer, and it will not dry through the whole thickness. Perform drying with UV lamp. The adhesive is cured. Now we remove the tape from the strain gauges. By rocking from side to side, it is possible to remove without leaving the adhesive layer behind. The tape is removed. Now we apply a layer on the exposed parts of the strain gauge, as well as an additional layer on the leads for better fixation. And then we polymerize it with UV light. Apply and polymerize additional layers for better strain gauge fixation if it's needed.